How's it going, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in today. For today I have this Subaru Legacy that belongs to a TCU student, and this car was in for a full detail. Sit back, relax, enjoy the show, and let's get this detail started. So this detail was a little bit different because I started with the interior first, and the first step is to make sure to vacuum everything thoroughly to make sure to remove all loose dirt and debris out of the way so shampooing process can be smooth. In my detailing, I always start with the driver's side first, so I divide the car into 4 sections: driver's side, the rear passenger, then the second passenger, and then the front seat. So this way, when I am vacuuming or doing any kind of shampooing or I am doing some kind of steam cleaning, I always do in sections, so I finish each section and then it all comes together. So this way it works really well. I think it was Ammo NYC who actually showed how to do this, and this process is actually very efficient. In my detailing package, if a customer chooses full detail, I always do steam cleaning, and here all the door panels are getting steam cleaned. That is the fastest way to clean any kind of plastics on the door or the dashboard or anywhere, because steam will break down all the dirt and grime. If you are looking for a good steamer, I have a McCulloch steamer that I'm using here, and the link for all the tools and the products that I'm using in this detail are linked in the description down below. One detailing tip that I can give you over here: if you have piano black interior or any kind of glossy interior surfaces, make sure to use ultra soft microfiber towels. You don't want to scratch these interiors because the only way to remove the scratches will be polishing them. So always make sure to use safe detailing methods. This way you avoid any kind of scratches or swirls on the interior, and the interior is perfect. No matter if this is a Subaru or a Mercedes, always use safe detailing methods. If you are enjoying the video so far, make sure to like the video and comment down below. And if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon so you are reminded whenever I upload a new video. And guys, if you are in Fort Worth, Texas or in DFW area, I am running a special on my ceramic coating prices. That is, I'm offering 7-year coating for the price of 3. That is right, the price starts at $9.99. And guys, make sure to take advantage of this prices that I'm offering because they are only for a limited time. So if you are in DFW or Fort Worth area, contact me anytime. All the information is in the description below. My website or any social medias are there. Contact me anyhow and I will get back to you as soon as possible. For my shampoo process, I always use Chemical Guy's lightning fast shampoo, and then after that I will agitate it with a drill brush, and then I use a steamer to introduce heat into the fabric. This way it will release all the dirt and the grime that is in there, and then those stains will be easy to pull out, like in this seat. If you are looking for a new extractor, you're a detailer and you're on the fence of buying a Mighty, or you want to buy something that is more economical to your budget, I built an extractor using a rigid shop vac. I have really enjoyed using this tool because this is actually next to a Mighty. I mean, I can compare that to, I made a video how to actually build this extractor, and I have updated some of the accessories in the description of that video, so you can actually have a super lightweight machine that works very efficiently. So guys, the link is in the description for that video, or on the right hand corner. Make sure to watch the video if you are looking for an extractor. That is an awesome way of saving money and make sure to get same effects of a Mighty. So go check it out and comment below to let me know what you think. So now is the time that I start washing the exterior, and always wheels and tires, they come first. I'm using Technician's Choice Brake R, and this is a wheel and tire cleaner, and you can actually clean the wheel wells as well with this. So I always use this on my maintenance details or any kind of like regular cars that don't have ceramic coated wheels. This product works really well. This is highly alkaline product and it's very strong, so always dilute it 4:1. It works really great. If you're wondering what kind of pressure washer I'm using a CAT 1800 psi pressure washer. This pressure washer is actually built by Active 2.0, which is used by a lot of detailers, and they built the same motor and everything. This is actually cheaper than Active 2.0. It has 2 gallons per minute and the cleaning power is really great. I will make a separate video doing a review for this pressure washer. So far it's been working really great. In my detailing packages, when the customer chooses a full detail that is inside and the exterior, I do offer wash and wax service. So here, when I wash each panel with a mitt, I will go back after and I will use a clay mitt to do the decontamination process, because we are going to apply wax after that, and wax should be applied when the paint is absolutely smooth. And this way I'm very efficient with my process. I'm not wasting time, and this way you save time, because time is money. Whenever drying a paint, I always use a drying aid. Here I'm using McGuire's Quick Wax, and I'm using Rack Company's drying towels. And these towels are some of the great towels out there. A lot of companies make different towels, but I choose Rack Company because they are the best. For cleaning floor mats, I've used many different products: Super Clean, Purple Power, even P&S Brake Buster, which works really well. But I have settled down with Kosh Chemi's Green Star. This product works really well on cleaning floor mats, and I even use it for exterior washes on the vehicle when I get those filthy trucks. So guys, if you want to get all these products and tools that I'm using in this detail, they are in the description down below. You can click on this link and check them out for yourself. Sealant of choice today is Dynavax Serum Boost. This is actually a ceramic coating booster, but you can use it as a standalone sealant or a wax onto the paint, and I'm going to use it on this vehicle. And this is just a wipe on and wipe off. That means you can apply it to the paint and flip the towel and just wipe it off. Don't let it stand too long. If you stand, it kind of like cures, and then you have to put a little bit of elbow grease to take it off. But guys, this product works amazing. I've been enjoying using this product on my details, and the gloss and the shine is actually really great. The water beating off is instant, and this works really well. If you made it thus far in the video, thanks for watching, and make sure to like and comment. And if you are new, subscribe to the channel. The last few steps are to put tire shine to all the tires, clean all the glass, and the last step is to apply Aerospace 303 to all those old weather mats. They were all faded, but a few spray of Aerospace 303 and these weather mats were back to brand new. So thank you guys for watching, and just like always, I will definitely see you on the next one.